You want more money, more success, and a better life? So here's the secret. Invest in yourself. The rich do it, the winners do it, and even the 1% do it. So if you don't, well, good luck on that better life. Today, I'll give you 10 ways to invest in yourself, level up, and get ahead fast. 1. Learn a skill that pays. If your skills don't make money, they're just hobbies. Tech, marketing, sales, and so on. Pick one. Master it and watch your income grow. No skill equals no money. It's that simple. 2. Read the right books. Here's a fact. The average CEO reads 60 books a year. The average broke person, less than one. So if you want to win, read books on money, success, psychology, and business. They'll change the way you see the world and your bank account. 3. Take care of your health. Forget the hustle culture. If your body breaks down, nothing else matters. Work out, eat clean, and sleep well. A weak body leads to a weak life. Health is wealth. 4. Get around successful people. Look at your 5 closest friends. If they're broke, negative, and lazy, guess what? You are too. Your network is your net worth. Upgrade it. 5. Master communication. You can be the smartest person in the room, but if you can't communicate, you'll always lose to someone who can. Public speaking, sales, persuasion, these skills print money. 6. Start a side hustle. Here's the truth. Your job won't make you rich. A side hustle will. Find something you love, monetize it, and never rely on one income stream. 7. Control your emotion. Success isn't just about IQ, it's also about EQ. If you let emotions control you, you'll make bad decisions and miss big opportunities. Stay calm, stay smart, and always think for the long term. 8. Master your money. Money flows to people who understand it. Budget, save, invest. Every dollar you waste today is freedom you lose tomorrow. 9. Do hard things. Most people avoid hard things, but that's exactly why they stay average. Every time you push past fear, doubt, and discomfort, you level up. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. 10. Take action now. None of this matters if you don't take action. Most people will watch this video, feel inspired, and do nothing. Don't be that person. Pick one thing from this list and start today. If you're serious about growth, like this video, subscribe, and start investing in yourself, because the best investment you'll ever make is you.